So someone is inquiring about the price of a cost-friendly diagnostic machine. The price, first of all, depends on the brand and also what it can do and some other factors. There are cheaper tools that you can get for as low as $20, and then there are more expensive tools that you can get for as high as 10 million Uganda shillings. So depending on different factors. The first factor is functions. For cheaper tools, you'll only be able to view simple engine codes and simple data from the engine. You won't be able to cover the entire system of the car. Then for advanced and more expensive tools, these are able to do extra functions. They can scan the entire car. They can do extra functions like actuating, coding, and so on. So depending on the function. Then the other issues about brand coverage. For cheaper tools, they have less brands you can work on, and then for more advanced tools, you have a variety of brands that you can work on.